$80 million rocket became just $20 million only. 75% of the cost got reduced. Only with the 25% of the cost rocket is ready. Next, very beauty is the rocket is reusable, not one-time usage. Not one-time usage. Okay, this type of thinking is called Elon Musk first principles thinking. Remember this. Forget about all your old beliefs. Can I have alternative? Can I have another way? Can I have another process? Something like ask. If it is just a belief, not physics, not by physics. Oh, if it is the physics, we should not change. We should not touch. If it is not physics, forget about that old belief. Okay, concentrate. Alternate ways only like. Now, the beauty of Elon Musk is he didn't take patent for that. Okay, so that some parts he didn't take some patent for everything. Then automatically what happened is even small companies also are in a position to build their own rockets. Even EVs also, electrical vehicles also. Just because of battery only, it's too costly. Except battery, nothing. So why in the battery again is the cost is just because of material or because of process? Because of process only. So why we have to follow that particular process only? Why don't you follow other process? If I produce huge number of batteries, can I reduce cost? Like all possibilities is going to think. And then he will come up with a better solution. This is called first level of principles.